the next stop is a friend who repairs laptop. I mean, the whole of Circle, if you want somebody who repairs on-board problems of laptops, you can just come there and then he will sort you out. His name is Mr. Kasim. So we are going to Mr. Kasim's shop to have a chat with Mr. Kasim and to tell us what he does and all that, so that he can put his number across. If you have any challenge with your laptop, you can just reach out to Mr. Kasim and Mr. Kasim will sort you out. So let's go to Mr. Kasim. Mr. Kasim, I salute you. Yes, I will. Looks like the place has changed.
The construction changed.
The construction things,
we changed.
Oh, how is business?
Last time you came, it wasn't like this.
Yeah, it wasn't like this. It wasn't like this. How is business?
Oh, Charlie, thank God.
Today, I want to feature you on my YouTube channel. I just want to let them know that there's a specialist board repairer in Circle.
Okay, you are on YouTube now?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube now. And I want to introduce them to you so that in case they have a challenge with their laptops, they can come to Oga Kasim at Circle, and Oga Kasim will sort them out. So maybe...
What be your page name?
It be Paul Hammond. You go Paul Hammond, yeah.
Hammond?
Yeah, Hammond. So Oga Kasim, just introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Mr. Kasim. Mr. Kasim. I fix laptops, power issues, display, hard drive issues, etc., etc.
So everything about the motherboard, everything about the laptop, you fix everything.
Sure. Yeah.
And this business, if somebody wants to come and learn from you, is there an opportunity if somebody wants to start doing something like that?
Yeah, we have a lot of apprentices here.
Okay.
We have a lot of apprentices here.
Can enroll?
Yeah, I can enroll. Can still enroll.
So what are the requirements, the things you require from the person?
Oh, the person must have a prior knowledge of electronics. It's very important to make it easy for him or her. But if the person is a layman, it will be difficult.
So since you are into laptops, so maybe you can give advice on if somebody wants to buy a laptop. What are some of the things he has to look out for in buying the correct laptop? Because nowadays there are a lot of laptops in the market.
So mostly I encourage people to buy the popular brand names. Dell, HP, Toshiba, Lenovo. They are good.
But even in buying those brand names, still, I'm told that there are some from Nigeria and some from other countries.
That one, yeah, Charlie.
That are producing, synthetic things. So, but is there no way, maybe when a person gets the laptop, you can check some 1 or 2 things on the laptop to make sure this is a correct laptop?
You check the specs, the processor speed, memory, hard drive, capacity, etc., etc.
But it's a business with more money inside.
Oh, we are managing small. We are managing.
So it means that when you do something like this in Ghana, I mean, the people get profit. You don't need to travel outside to do a meeting. When you have knowledge about this, you can do it in Ghana and get your money.
Exactly.
So in a month like this, like how much can somebody who is doing something like this make?
It depends. In a month, you can make at least 3,000 Ghana.
That's on the side.
Yeah.
So if the market is booming, you can make more.
You can make more.
You
can make more.
So maybe you can put
this is one of my apprentices. That's come on YouTube. These are my Ghana so. You only vibe, but survive. Normal YouTube. What? Okay, my number is 055 906 1168. 055 906 1168. Okay.
So you can see the casino is a proper engineer. You see the diagram, diode and resistor engine. Whatever you have with your laptop, you can come to Casino. Thank you so much.
All right, you are welcome.
I brought my laptop.
Okay, you too, eh?
Me too.
You yourself.
You remember this one? Now at the search for the switch, no? Some time ago. So I go buy the power no from online, where the person they use. But last time now, where you see the TV.
Where sound go off again? You bought the switch online, eh?
Yeah, I buy for you.
It's true, that switch, you do online.
My name is Isaac Avise. I'm the secretary for this shop, and the shop name is Cashlog IT Solutions. Yeah, we sell laptop accessories, and the accessories some like SSD, normal hard drives, and batteries. And so we have MacBook, SSD, fans, HP, that, and keyboards. The keyboards we have Lenovo, HP, and all stuff. And we have houses, that's laptop houses. Yeah. If you want, maybe you want to change your house, laptop house, and maybe it's some way destroyed or something, you can change it. Yeah, come. Yeah. So you are always welcome if you want to come.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. The number. Oh, okay. Sorry. Our number 055 928 5706. 055 928 5706, and we have 020 40 60 717, and the last one is 055 3704 381. Cashlog IT Solutions. You're always welcome.
Okay, so come and buy.
Yeah.
Come and buy. And you'll be set. When you come, say Mr. Hammond.
Yeah.
Mr. Hammond recommended you. So whatever you need, I mean, come here, you get it.
Yeah.
So when they come, you give them discount.
All right.
They can mention Mr. Hammond.
Mr. Hammond.
Give them discount.
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much,
Thank
bro.
you so much.